Imagine creating handmade Christmas gifts for family and friends this year, making beautiful items to sell as a side hustle, making warm hats for preemie babies at your local hospital, or even making your child's next best friend. Learn how to crochet and you can do it all. Unleash your creativity with Let's Get Hooked. This comprehensive online course is perfect for those wanting to learn crochet or looking to advance their skills. From the basics of single crochet to more advanced projects like amigurumi, you will learn it all. Hi, I'm Marcy, the crochet designer behind Simply Hooked. With nearly 13 years of experience crocheting, I'm an expert in the field and thrilled to guide you through easy, step-by-step lessons of foundational stitches and techniques to help you master this timeless skill. Crochet isn't just about making things. It's a creative outlet that helps improve your mental health and provides a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of life. Let the world fade away while you learn to crochet. Let's get hooked, friends. Sign up today.